here we are still looking at angles of elevation and depression. Angles of elevation and depression. So we have question, this is question 5. Alright. So the question says, defeat S and T of two vertical poles SR and TP are in line with a point Q on the same level ground. SR and TP are 5 meters and 9 meters respectively. S lies between Q and T and is 25 meters from Q. The angle of elevation of P from R is 30 degrees. Calculate, question A, the distance PR. Question B, the distance QT, correct to two significant figures. And question C, the angle of elevation of P from Q, correct to one decimal place. So this is the question. Now, the next thing that we need to do now is to analyze the question. All right, so let's look at it. From what we have here, we have 3 points, and we have 3 points S, T, and Q on the same level. So from what we have here, we have that S lies between Q and T. So this horizontal line that I've drawn, so I'm going to put Q here and I'm going to put T here. So we are told that S lies in between Q and T, so I'm going to put S here. So this is point S, and from here we have that S is 25 meters from Q, so distance from here to here is 25 meters. Alright, then let's look at what we have here. So we have that the two vertical poles SR and TP are in line with point Q. We have done that already on the same level ground. So SR and TP are 5 meters and 9 meters respectively. So SR now, pole SR, so I'm going to put it here. So you draw a vertical line, and so this is point R here now. So this is point R, and then so we have TP now, pole TP. So this point is point P, and this is point C. So we have this. So just follow the way I'm interpreting it. Then we come here now. The angle of elevation of P from R is 30 degrees. So angle of elevation of P from R is 30 degrees. So normally, so we have a horizontal line. So if someone is standing at this point P, this person is supposed to be looking in this direction, but it's looking at the top P of the flagpole of the pole TP. So here we have to draw a line like this. Then the angle of elevation of P from R is 30 degrees. So the angle will be put here. So this is 30 degrees. So don't forget that we are told that SR is 5 meters. So distance here is 5 meters and TP is 9 meters. So I'm going to put M here because there is a point there. So this line from here to here has created a point on line TP. So from here, TP is 9 meters. So here we have 9 meters. All right. So this has formed a right angle triangle. It has formed a right angle triangle. So question A says that we should find the value of distance PR. So PR, we have to find PR. Now looking at what we have here. So we know that distance SR is 5 meters. And if you look at what we have here, TM will also be equal to SR. So from above, comma, so here we have that. So TM is equal to SR, and it is equal to 5 meters. So this is equal to 5 meters. That is TM equals 5 meters. So if TM equals 5 meters, what is PM? What is PM? As we know from diagram again, that TP is equal to, so if you look at TP is the summation of TM and MP. So here we have is equal to TM, so plus MP. So we know that TP is 9 meters, and we have that TM is 5 meters. So we need the value of MP. Okay, so let me rub this off so that we can have enough space to solve the problem. All right, so from here now, so for me to get NP, so I will subtract 5 from 9, that is 9 minus 5, so MP is 4 meters, so MP is 4 meters. So distance from here to here is 4 meters. So here I have distance from here to here now. So this is 4 meters. All right, so now having gotten this PM as, or MP as 4 meters, so I need this PR as said in the questions that we should find distance PR. So if you look at this distance PR now, it is hypotenuse side of this right angle triangle PRM, and we have the opposite. So in this case, we are going to make use of SOHCAHTOA. So that is SOH, CAH, and TOA. So I have to make use of one of these to get the value of PR. Now we have the opposite, we have the angle, and we are looking for hypotenuse. So here we have opposite, we have hypotenuse, and we have the angle. So here we have sine 30 degrees to be equal to, so the opposite is 4, and the hypotenuse is PR. So we can still write this in like this, in this form. So we have PR to be equal to 4 over sine 30 degrees. So this is now equal to, we have 4 over sine 30 is 1 over 2, that is half, or 0.5. So let me write that 0.5. So and 4 divided by 0.5 will give us 8, so 8 meters. So PR is 8 meters. So we are done with that part. So that is question A. We have answered question A in this case. So starting from here, we have answered question A. Now I believe this is clear to you. Now let's work on question B now, that says that we should find distance QT. Distance QT is from here to here. We want to find distance QT from here to here. Now if we look at what we have here, this distance ST, if you look at QT here, so QT is the sum of QS and ST. So we don't know distance ST, but we can get distance ST if we are able to know distance RM. So we're able to know distance RM. So as we know that RM is equal to ST, so we get distance ST. Then whatever we get for ST, we just add it to this 25, which is QS. So let's look at how that can be done. So I'm going to rub this off. Okay, so from the diagram, so we have that QT so is equal to QS so plus ST. All right. So and so but so ST so is equal to RM. Is equal to RM. So we need to get the value of RM. So from here, and don't forget that we have known the value of this PR to be 8 meters. So this is 8 meters. So from triangle, PRM, so I will draw the triangle. So it looks like this. So here we have what we have. This is R, or let me draw it in the form that it is there, so that you will not be confused. All right. So here we have M. This is P, and this is R. So we know that this is 8 meters, and this is 4 meters. And here is angle 30 degrees. This is angle 30 degrees. So looking at what we have here, I can use Pythagoras theorem to get the value of Rm. So I will use Pythagoras theorem for more understanding on this question. So using Pythagoras theorem, so if I use Pythagoras theorem, so I have PR squared to be equal to so we have what we have RM squared so plus RM squared so plus PM squared. So this is 8 squared, so it's equal to, we have RM squared, so plus 4 squared. And this will give us 64, is equal to RM squared plus 16. Then, let me rub this off. Okay, so we have RM squared so be equal to, so we have 64 minus 16, and this will give us 48. Then RM is equal to square root of 48. So square root of 48 will give us 6.9 meters. So that is RM, 6.9 meters. So therefore, so from here, so we know that therefore ST so is equal to 6.9 meters. 6.9 meters. Okay. Now, so I believe this is clear to you. So let me rub off what we have here. Let me rub this off. So therefore, so we have QT now. QT, which is question B. So QT so is equal to, so we have what we have, this to be QS QS, so plus ST. So I'm just repeating this. So this is now equal to, so QS is 25, and ST is 6.9, and this will give us 31.9 meters. So the question says that our answer should be to two significant figures. So to two significant figures, so here we have 32 meters. 32 meters. So QT is 32 meters. So this is QT, 32 meters. So take note of that. All right. So we have solved that question. So the next question is that's question C, that we should find the angle of elevation of P from Q, angle of elevation of P from Q. So I'll rub this off. Okay, so angle of elevation of P from Q. So how can we get that? So I'm going to join Q and P together with a straight line. So it goes like this. So it goes like this. So this angle is what we are looking for. All right, so we know that this is 6.9 meters, ST is 6.9 meters. So we know that distance from here to here is 32 meters. From here to here is 32 meters. So, and we know that from here to here is 9 meters. That is QT is 32 meters, or I can use 31.9. I will use 31.9. Okay, so QT is 31.9 meters and TP is 9 meters. So here I have right angle triangle. So I'll just say that from triangle PQT, so I will draw it. I'm going to draw it for more clarification. So here I have this angle. So this is Q, this is P, and this is T. We have right angle triangle. So TP is 9 meters and QT is 31.9 meters. All right, so I can make use of tangent or TOA to find the value of this angle. So here I have tan theta to be equal to, that's 9 over 31.9, and this is tan theta to be equal to 0. So here I have 0.2 0.2821. 0.2821. So 2821. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.2821, and this is equal to, so this gives me 15.8 degree to 1 decimal place as said in the question. So this is question C. So this is the solution to question C. So it's as simple as I've explained it here. So watch it over and over again for you to master this, and then look for questions that are like this, solve them. So apply the same system that I use, or the same steps that I use to solve this. So I believe you will be able to solve it. So thank you for listening. God bless you.